Go on, do you want to tell them what we've been doing?
We've been playing pool.
Well, we've been rained off basically, YouTube. I'll show you outside. It is horrendous. If you can see it. So what we've done is we went to Andretti or something like that. Went go-karting, did a bit of laser quest, did a bit of bowling, and then we come to this pool hall, which it was alright, weren't it?
Yeah.
Like, we walked in at first and somebody walked past smoking a fag and I was like, oh, that's making me feel sick. But yeah, it's been alright. We've played a bit of pool, had a few drinks. Now we're going for an Italian, and then we're gonna go back, chill and watch a film at room, aren't we?
Yeah.
Is that what you want to add, Tebs?
Good morning, Vietnam.
Yeah, that.
Can we watch that?
What's that? What's that?
Good morning, Vietnam. You don't know what that is?
No.
Still no.
Well, I don't know. But yeah, so we're just waiting for an Uber. We're gonna go to Olive Garden, which has had some mega reviews, so we're gonna have a cheeky Italian. Go back to the room. It is what it is. We've had a decent day. In all fairness, it could have been worse. We could have just been trapped in the room all day, but we've made most of it. So peace out, YouTube.
So we are in the Olive Garden. Where did we leave them last? Did you show them the pool? Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did.
I didn't think I showed them pool, did I?
You did, because I'm sure you showed them rain and stuff. Well, if not, we played pool.
And we've done go-karting and laser tag and everything else.
This is Liam.
So, since I've been in America, I've been a big fan of H2O.
H2O, and now I need to know how you
don't
feel
ever sing that
about
song
me.
in front of me.
You'll start it.
It makes my teeth bleed. But yeah, I've turned over a new leaf, YouTube. I'm into water. Like,
that's why he's pissed.
No, I've been drinking water since I got here.
Does he look like he's been drinking water?
Silly.
You're looking at yourself.
Bit, I know.
Oh, there. Now you'll look at camera.
Yeah, so I've just been, since I got here, I've been a big fan of water, like, not better
He's
than...
not drank water once. Whenever I've wanted water, he's like, no.
What, babe feet?
So I've just gone boring. I've just gone Alfredo pasta. No chicken, no broccoli. I just don't want Alt to fill me up because I won't eat it. I got a free salad or soup with it, and I told her I don't want either, and she said, are you sure? It's free, and I said, yeah, I'm gonna waste it, so I don't want it. Liam made his own pasta.
Lots.
He's picked, sorry, I can't do it the way, so you're gonna be a bit of an angle. Rigatoni, and then he's picked 5 cheese marinara, and then put traditional marinara on top of it. And then he's gone for meatballs and Italian sausage.
Why not? But water matters. YouTube.
Water matters.
Water matters.
No, he's not pissed at all.
What's worse that could happen? I get rolled out in a wheelchair.
The water lasted long, Liam.
Well, this is actually a blueberry lemonade. And when you drink it, you see Chef Wednesday go to the bottom. Silly.
This is what it's like when on holiday with Liam. All day, every day. So if you're in the group Camp Kermit, if your name's Steve Lowe, if your name's Joe Yarrow, if your name... Who else have we been texting? Oh, Amy Nicklin on Snapchat this morning waking me up.
Nick Jones.
Nick Jones. The lot of you. I've stole my boyfriend for the holiday. I hope you've enjoyed his great chat.
Steve Costin.
No. And here we have toasted ravioli. Mega, is it nice? Enjoying it? Out of 10.
That's 7.
Describe the taste. Is it like Heinz ravioli? Which actually I think's bad boy.
It took so long, guys. I'm gonna bring little plates for you guys as well. Okay?
Thank you.
It's not bad. I don't know how to explain it really. It's like ravioli with breadcrumbs on it that's been fried, I'm guessing. Try it.
Dunno. I'm just filming my double chin for everyone first. It tastes like Heinz ravioli but toasted. That's all I can describe it to you. So here we have mine. Just fettuccine alfredo, which is basically pasta and cheese creamy sauce. The toasted ravioli, and then we have Liam's concoction. Do you remember what you got?
Meatballs, sausage, 5 cheeses and margarita. No, not margarita, marinara.
Marinara with rigatoni. So we've ordered. I'll let you know what it's like. What are you doing, Liam?
That Defcon song.
Looks like we ain't eating much. But I am a Rhaenyra carbonara stomach going off right now. Only Sean will get that. Rhaenyra carbonara is the name of my pasta baby. We made it up in Tenerife. Lovely. But my god, am I full. Look at this.
Made fun. Oh, do you know what? Do you know when you were in a wheelchair over there? You didn't see me put GoPro on helmet cam, did you? Do you know what I mean?
I'm filming myself as well. I don't know what you're upset about.
You said you weren't drinking today, and I'm full as old. I feel pregnant with a fully grown man. No, you're not lying.
Are you gonna box it up?
Yeah, that's a great shout.
That's what she said.
That's a shout.
I'm gonna go now. The next time you see us will probably be in the hotel room. If not, it'll be in the morning. Bye.